there are two things, civil and criminal. Civil case and criminal case. For civil case, there is a civil law, and for criminal case, there is a criminal law. Now, what is this law about? Law is actually code, which I am talking about. Code, CODE. Code is actually a procedure. For civil case, civil procedure is followed, and for criminal case, criminal procedure is followed. So the code which is for civil case, it is known as Civil Procedure Code, simply called Civil Code. You can call it Civil Code just for remembering, or you don't need to remember anything, just you have to listen carefully and with a very cool mind. Okay, it's pastime, legal pastime. So just listen and relax, enjoy. So for civil cases, there is a civil code, and for criminal cases, there is a criminal procedure code, or simply criminal code. Now, what is this code? This code is actually a procedure which we have to follow while reporting about a case. So when we have to complain about a civil case, we will follow the civil code. When we have to file a criminal case, we will follow the criminal code. Now an important question arises. The question is that since a few days I have been telling you all that if a case has been filed two times, if a case has been filed before two judges simultaneously, then which judge will decide the case? The answer is that the judge before whom the case has gone first, he will decide the case. But when? That judge also will decide the case only when he will have the power to decide the case, the jurisdiction, the authority. Now, from where this authority will come? This authority will come from the code. Okay? Because code is a thing which lays down procedure to be followed, and it also lays down about what authorities will be authorized to deal with what kind of case, in what kind of manner. All this is laid down in the code. So for civil case, the power will come from the civil code. For criminal case, the power will come from the criminal code. Thank you, friends. Stay happy, stay healthy, and stay connected. Do comment also. Thank you, friends.